In 1913, Fred W. Wolf designed the first electric refrigerator, a groundbreaking invention that changed how people stored food. Before this, food preservation relied heavily on iceboxes or methods that couldn't keep items fresh for long. Wolf faced significant challenges in creating a reliable cooling system without the high costs associated with earlier refrigeration methods. By utilizing a safer refrigerant, he succeeded in developing a household appliance that was both effective and affordable. This innovation opened doors for modern refrigeration technology, ensuring longer shelf life for perishables and transforming culinary practices worldwide. The electric refrigerator is now a staple in homes, showcasing the lasting impact of Wolf's pioneering spirit.